Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers from scratch. Shape 4 equal patties using gentle pressure so they stay tender and springy when cooked. Season both sides simply with salt and pepper just before cooking to avoid drawing moisture. Keep a small dimple in the center to prevent puffing. Use medium-high heat and flip only once for even browning and juicy centers. Start with chilled 80/20 ground beef and divide into 4 equal portions for consistent cooking. Gently form loose balls and press them into 1/4 inch thicker patties with a small center dimple. Avoid overworking the meat to keep burgers tender. Season lightly with salt and pepper moments before they hit the hot pan. Rest patties briefly after cooking to let juices redistribute for a better bite. Heat your grill or heavy skillet until hot and shimmering to get a crisp exterior. Place patties on the surface and let them cook undisturbed until juices collect before flipping once. Add cheese in the final minute and cover briefly to melt perfectly. Toast buns cut side down, then layer sauce, lettuce, tomato, and onion for contrast. Serve immediately so the bun stays warm and the burger remains juicy and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.